Hi guys! A robot window cleaner automates the task of cleaning windows, making it efficient and effortless. Equipped with AI navigation and strong suction, these devices ensure streak-free results on various surfaces. Features like rechargeable batteries, remote controls, and smart safety mechanisms enhance user convenience and safety. Ideal for high-rise buildings and hard-to-reach windows, robot window cleaners save time and effort, providing a practical solution for both residential and commercial properties. So, let's get started. Number 5. BLP Window Robot Vacuum. This window robot vacuum is a state-of-the-art household cleaning device designed to simplify and enhance the window cleaning process. Combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, it offers a highly efficient solution for maintaining clean and clear windows. Here are the key features that make the BLP Window Robot Vacuum an outstanding choice. Automatic water spray. The BLP Window Robot Vacuum is equipped with an automatic water spray function, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. This feature allows the robot to evenly distribute water across the window surface, effectively loosening dirt and grime for a spotless finish. Remote control. For added convenience, the BLP Window Robot Vacuum comes with a remote control. This allows users to operate the device from a distance, making it easy to start, stop, and navigate the cleaning process without needing to manually interact with the robot. The remote control feature enhances user experience by providing effortless operation. Electric window wiper. The BLP Window Robot Vacuum functions as an electric window wiper, delivering powerful cleaning performance with its 800-watt motor. This high power output ensures that the device can effectively remove dirt, dust, and smudges, leaving windows crystal clear and streak-free. Cord length. With a 4.5-meter cord, the BLP Window Robot Vacuum offers ample reach for cleaning large windows and expansive glass surfaces. This length ensures that the device can cover significant areas without the need for frequent repositioning or additional extensions. Voltage. The BLP Window Robot Vacuum is designed to operate on a voltage range of 110 volts to 220 volts, making it versatile and suitable for use in various regions. This wide voltage compatibility ensures that the device can be used internationally without requiring voltage converters, providing convenience for users in different locations. The next is Number 4. PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum. The robot vacuum is an advanced cleaning device designed to simplify and enhance the process of maintaining clean windows. With a focus on power and safety, it offers several features that make it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. Here are the key features that set the PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum apart. Cord length. The PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum is equipped with a 4.5-meter cord, providing sufficient reach for cleaning large windows and glass surfaces. This length ensures that the device can cover significant areas without the need for frequent repositioning or additional extensions. Power. Boasting a powerful 800-watt motor, the PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum delivers robust cleaning performance. This high-power output enables the device to effectively tackle dirt, dust, and grime, leaving windows spotless and streak-free. The strong suction ensures thorough cleaning, even on stubborn stains. Voltage. The PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum is designed to operate on a voltage range of 110 volts to 220 volts, making it versatile and suitable for use in various regions. This wide voltage compatibility ensures that the device can be used internationally without the need for voltage converters, providing convenience for users in different locations. Emergency power supply system. One of the standout features of the PuRuiKai Window Robot Vacuum is its emergency power supply system. This safety feature ensures that the device remains securely attached to the window even during power outages. The emergency power supply prevents the robot from falling or becoming dislodged, offering peace of mind during unexpected power interruptions. The next is Number 3. CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum is a cutting-edge device designed to revolutionize the way we clean windows. Combining powerful performance with user-friendly features, it offers a highly efficient solution for maintaining spotless windows. Here are the key features that make the CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum stand out. Cord length. The CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum comes with a 5-meter cord, providing ample reach for cleaning large windows and expansive glass surfaces. This generous cord length ensures that the device can cover wide areas without the need for constant repositioning or the use of extension cords. Power. With an impressive power rating of 800 watts, the CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum delivers robust cleaning performance. This high-power output enables the device to effectively remove dirt, dust, and grime from windows, leaving them crystal clear and streak-free. Voltage. Designed for versatility, the CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum operates on a voltage range of 110 volts to 240 volts. This wide voltage compatibility ensures that the device can be used in various regions without requiring additional voltage converters, making it a convenient choice for international use. Emergency Power Supply System. One of the standout features of the CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum is its emergency power supply system. This safety feature ensures that the device remains securely attached to the window even in the event of a power outage. The emergency power supply provides peace of mind by preventing the robot from falling or becoming dislodged during unexpected power interruptions. The CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum is an advanced and reliable solution for automated window cleaning. Its powerful performance, extensive cord length, wide voltage compatibility, and safety features make it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. With the CHOVERY Window Robot Vacuum, maintaining spotless windows is effortless and efficient, allowing users to enjoy clear views without the hassle of manual cleaning. The next is number 2. ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner. This robot window cleaner is an innovative device designed to bring convenience and efficiency to window cleaning. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it stands out as a top choice for maintaining spotless windows. Here are the key features that make the ABIR WD8 an exceptional window cleaning tool. Control Mode. The ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner offers versatile control options, allowing users to operate the device via remote control or through an intuitive mobile app. This flexibility ensures a seamless and convenient cleaning experience, enabling users to manage the cleaning process with ease. Suction Power. Boasting a powerful suction capacity of 3,000 PA, the ABIR WD8 ensures a firm grip on the window surface, providing thorough and effective cleaning. This high suction power guarantees that the device remains securely attached to the window, preventing any accidental falls or slips. Anti-fall control. Equipped with an uninterruptible power supply (UPS) system, the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner features robust anti-fall control. This system ensures that the device remains securely attached to the window even in the event of a power failure, enhancing safety during operation. Input voltage. The ABIR WD8 is designed to be compatible with a wide range of power supplies, operating on an input voltage of AC 100-240 volt, 50/60 Hz. This versatility makes it suitable for use in various regions without the need for additional adapters or converters. Edge detection. Featuring automatic edge detection and a brushless motor, the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner efficiently navigates window edges, preventing falls and ensuring comprehensive cleaning. The brushless motor enhances the device's durability and performance, providing a long-lasting cleaning solution. Water spray. The ABIR WD8 offers both automatic and manual water spray options, allowing users to customize the cleaning process based on their needs. This feature ensures that windows receive an optimal amount of water for thorough and streak-free cleaning. The next is number 1. The SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner is a cutting-edge solution for efficient and effective window cleaning. This advanced device is designed to deliver streak-free results, making it an essential tool for maintaining pristine windows. Key features of the SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner include double cleaning efficiency. The SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner boasts remarkable cleaning efficiency, capable of cleaning 1 square meter in just 2 minutes. This rapid performance maximizes time savings, particularly beneficial for large window areas, ensuring your windows are spotless in minimal time. Bidirectional water spray. Equipped with dual-sided water spraying and a 90 ml tank, the SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner significantly reduces the need for frequent refills. This feature enhances its cleaning capabilities, ensuring a thorough wash every time. Square-style design. The square shape of the SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner ensures comprehensive coverage of your windows, minimizing uncleaned corners. This design feature guarantees that every inch of your window receives attention, leaving no spots behind. Borderless intelligent sensing. The advanced sensors in the SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner allow it to operate seamlessly on vertical surfaces, making it versatile for various window types. This intelligent sensing technology ensures the device navigates your windows efficiently and effectively, regardless of their design. Quieter operation. One of the standout features of the SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner is its quieter operation. Indoor noise levels are kept at a comfortable 75 dB, while outdoor noise is almost inaudible. This ensures a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing the household or the surrounding environment. The SUNSMAI Robot Window Cleaner is a top-tier window cleaning tool that combines efficiency, advanced technology, and user-friendly design. With its impressive cleaning speed, bidirectional water spraying, intelligent sensing, and quiet operation, it stands out as a must-have device for maintaining clean and streak-free windows. So this is the best option for you to buy.